Yes, children. I would like that you should note down these names also. There are the names of these stages. When amoeba divides, first stage, as you can see in your NCERT, 5 diagrams are there. Number 1, that is the parent cell, right? That is the parent cell. So parent cell is having nucleus and cytoplasm both. Then in second stage, you can see that nucleus starts dividing, right? Nucleus starts dividing. And in third stage, you see that nucleus is straight, a long straight. So this third stage is known as karyokinesis. Can you see the name? Now it is visible to you all, right? Karyokinesis. Yes. Karyokinesis means division of nucleus. I have written in the bracket 2 for your convenience. Karyokinesis is division of nucleus. Okay. Then nucleus are divided in fourth stage, and cytoplasm also start dividing. This division of cytoplasm is known as cytokinesis. Why I am giving you these names? Because sometime in board, this diagram based question comes, right? So you need to note down in your book, and when you will make the notes in your notebook, you will note down these diagrams also, and diagram based question also may be there, as I told you yesterday also, that this chapter is full of the diagrams, as like we have done in case of life processes. Have you noted, beta? Have you noted?
Please yes, ma'am.
It's mirror image. It's visible to you all, ना? मुझे उल्टा दिख रहा है, आपको तो सीधा दिख रहा है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Noted, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we are moving towards the types of fission, right? Now fission is of binary fission. Types of binary fission. Types of binary fission में there are 3 types of the binary fissions. Please check it out. We said that amoeba that divides in any plane. किसी भी plane में कट जाता है, right? It can divide in any plane. किसी भी angle से ये कट हो जाता है, right? It divides at any angle. अभी यहाँ हम horizontally दिखा रहे हैं ना, but it may divide in any plane. किसी भी तरीके से कट सकता है, right? So in amoeba divides at any angle or at any orientation. The proper word is orientation. In any orientation, it divides in any orientation. बीच बीच में बच्चे आ रहे हैं. They are making disturbance in the class. Okay, clear to you? Clear है बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes,
so
ma'am.
first one is they divide in any plane. किसी भी orientation में कट गए and then divide. Right? The second one is transverse binary fission. What is transverse binary fission? Division of an organism horizontally. For example, paramecium. For your convenience, I have made the diagram of paramecium also. You can see there. You can see that paramecium parent body divided horizontally such that nucleus and cytoplasm both are divided in 2 equal halves, and then 2 new paramecium are developed. 2 daughter cells are developed. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? And the third one is longitudinal division. Division of a cell like leishmania that divides longitudinally. Longitudinally से क्या मतलब है? Vertical division होता है बेटा. Leishmania divides longitudinally or vertically. Okay. So Subal, I hope you will send the notes this time for this chapter.
Yes, ma'am.
Please send it before 4 p.m. so that I can share it with students. Late share करने पे कुछ बच्चे नहीं कर पाते फिर.
मैम
Okay.
ऑल नोट्स की जितना आपने अभी करवाया.
Okay, you can check it out and correct it if any mistake you have done. So complete definition you need to write down here, children, that longitudinal binary fission, an organism like Leishmania divides vertically into the two daughter cells or two equal halves and develop into the individual Leishmania. Now, what is the diagram of Leishmania? Leishmania is like this. Leishmania is like this. ये ऊपर इसके टेंटिकल लाइक स्ट्रक्चर क्या है? फ्लैजिला है बेटा, फ्लैजिला जो उसको मूव करने में हेल्प करते हैं, बिल्कुल वैसे ही जैसे आप स्पाइडर या एंट इन सब के आगे टेंटिकल्स देखते हो ना, so that way it has the tentacle like structure which helps us to move. It helps us to move it, right? So it divides in two equal halves, but vertically. It divides vertically. That's why the name have been given longitudinal binary fission. Is it clear? Three types of binary fission have been written, noted?
Yes, ma'am.
Noted all of you? Shall we move further?
Yes, ma'am.
Now the next type of the division or the cell asexual mode of reproduction, we will discuss about fragmentation. बेटा जैसे जैसे नाम है वैसे वैसे काम है, ठीक है? The name is fragmentation. What is meant by fragment? What is meant by fragment?
Ma'am, it divides in small fragments.
टुकड़ों में बदल जाना, अगर हिंदी में कहें in small pieces, division into the small pieces, right? So suppose a mature Spirogyra is having 10 layers of these individuals. Some children were yesterday asking that, ma'am, what does it mean to say by simple multicellular cellular animal? So this is one of the simple multicellular examples. It has structure like this. Suppose it has 10 this type of the structure, 1, 2, and so on till 10, right? A particular genus of Spirogyra. This also is known as blue-green algae. Please note down. This is blue-green algae. It belongs to the species of the category that is blue-green algae. And blue-green algae क्या करता है? क्या करता है blue-green algae? What is the difference between this type of the Spirogyra or any other organism? It is a special type of organism.
Ma'am, it does photosynthesis.
It does photosynthesis. Very good. It does photosynthesis, beta, right? So it does photosynthesis such that it is counted as well as in the plant as well as organism. But इसको हम living organism में ही count करते हैं. Why it is so? Why do you think that it is counted in living organism? Why not in plant when it does the photosynthesis?
Ma'am, because it is doing life processes.
Because it is doing all the other life processes. Excellent. It is doing all the other life processes like the human being or the most complex organism is doing. Akshara Sogi ji, remove कर दूं, बाकी सबको भी remove कर दूं जिनकी वीडियो ऑफ है. I can't keep it repeating बेटा. मिलता है ये.
I'm on top of ponds.
In top of the ponds, right? So top of the ponds में जब ये मिलता है बेटा तो ये photosynthesis कर सकता है और thread like structure होते हैं. When we see it under the microscope, then we can understand that yes, it is the like this shape. Otherwise, it is very simple thread like दिखाई देता है हमें पानी के किनारे, right? So when due to any reason this mature organism have been cut, ठीक है? किसी भी रीजन से उसके कट हो गया पीस, हमने स्टिक मार दिया, पानी में फ्लो ज्यादा हो गया, वट एवर इज द रीजन, ए बी सी एनी रीजन में भी देयर, इट डिवाइड्स इनटू द टू फ्रेगमेंट, टू और मोर फ्रेगमेंट्स, एंड ईच हैव द कैपेसिटी टू अगेन ग्रो. सपोज एज आई टोल्ड यू, सपोज 10 लेयर्स का एक मैच्योर ऑर्गेनिज्म होता है, देन इट कीप ऑन ग्रोइंग एंड गेट मैच्योर टिल इट्स पेरेंट, जस्ट लाइक इट्स पेरेंट सेल. गॉट इट? Clear हुआ जी?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So this type of the division is known as fragmentation in the simple cellular multicellular organism. This is multicellular. And binary fission किन में हो रहा था?
यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म।
यूनिसेलुलर
Unicellular.
ऑर्गेनिज्म में हो रहा था। क्लियर हुआ जी? क्लियर है?
यस
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now what is regeneration? Very important. 3 mark question comes in exam. So please note down. साथ साथ नोट करते रहो, बहुत सिंपल कंसेप्ट है बेटा। थोड़ा ऊपर कर दो। If an organism is somehow cut or broken into the many pieces, each piece grows into a complete organism. For example, planaria and hydra. Now, why I say always that you should make your notes combining your NCERT and notes, because some of the things are good in notes, some of the things are good in NCERT. अब इसी क्वेश्चन में देखिए, here hydra have been given example with diagram, but in NCERT hydra diagram have not been given. hydra का diagram दिया नहीं है, right? ठीक है? Hydra can divide in 3 ways, children. You need to note down here. Hydra can divide in 3 ways. How? Note down. Hydra can divide in 3 different ways. ये क्लियर क्यों नहीं कर रहा ड्राइंग? नेटवर्क नहीं है क्या? Okay. Hydra can divide in 3 different ways. Please write down in your notebook. Name the 3 different modes of reproduction in Hydra. Name the 3 different modes of reproduction in Hydra. ठीक है? So number 1 is it divides by regeneration. Regeneration क्या होता है अभी डिटेल में हम डिस्कस करते हैं. Number 2, it can divide by
बडिंग।
budding. Very good. It can divide by budding. Number 2, by budding. And number 3, it can, some of its varieties of hydra can do sexual reproduction also. They can reproduce by sexually. So they are doing sexual reproduction also. Hydra can divide.
Ma'am, some of its
species, some of its genus, some genus can reproduce sexually also. Sexual reproduction भी कर सकता है ये. Some of its genus can divide or can do sexual reproduction as well. I have written on the screen. You can see if anybody is having network issue or something like that, they can note down this. Right?
मैम सिर्फ आज के नोट्स ही सेंड करना है ना?
अब सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन हमारे कोर्स में नहीं है, क्लास 11-12 में है, राइट? We have regeneration and budding, so we will discuss it in detail. Yes, Subal, what you are saying?
मैम सिर्फ आज के नोट्स ही भेजने हैं ना?
हाँ बेटा, थोड़ा सा आगे चलो तो बेटर रहेगा.
ma'am.
लाइक चैप्टर 13 में हम थोड़ा आगे चले तो बेटर रहा ना. ठीक है? और मैं कुछ
Okay, ma'am.
क्वेश्चंस, वैसे दिस इज वेरी सिंपल चैप्टर, बट आई वांट एनसीईआरटी एंड नोट्स का कॉम्बिनेशन हो, दैट यू डू इट बेटर. आप अच्छा करते हो ये. ठीक है? ओके. So 3 different modes of reproduction in hydra: regeneration by budding, sexual reproduction. ये भी एक हॉट क्वेश्चन बन जाएगा. एग्री? ये भी एक हॉट क्वेश्चन बन सकता है या केस स्टडी बेस्ड क्वेश्चन बन सकता है. तो अभी मुझे ध्यान देना है कि केस स्टडी बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस के भी मैं आपको साथ साथ एग्जांपल देती जाऊं. गॉट इट? सो दीज इंफॉर्मेशन स्मॉल कहीं ना कहीं बिखरी हुई है हमारे चैप्टर से रिलेटेड. वी नीड टू कीप दीज इन माइंड. ओके, सो पुट द हेडिंग हॉट्स. ओके, नाउ रीजनरेशन में क्या होता है, लेट अस डिस्कस इन डिटेल. रीजनरेशन में क्या हुआ बेटा? ऑर्गेनिज्म इज केपेबल टू रिप्रोड्यूस एनी पार्ट ऑफ इट. एक नया ऑर्गेनिज्म बना देता है. ठीक है? एक नया ऑर्गेनिज्म वो बना देता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हाइड्रा एंड प्लेनेरिया. ठीक है? इसका तीन पार्ट हैं, यू कैन सी हेड पार्ट इज देयर, मिडल पार्ट इज देयर एंड टेल पार्ट इज देयर. तो सपोज इट्स हेड पार्ट हैव बीन कट. ठीक है, head part have been cut. So what happens that this head part, suppose its head part is cut, that head part is having specialized group of the cells. How is it possible? Due to the presence of specialized group of the cells which are known as regenerative cells. These are present in every part of its body. What is the speciality of these regenerative cells? That they can, नाम से ही पता लग रहा है, regenerate
They
जो
can
कर दे,
regenerate.
जो
Ma'am,
regenerate
they
कर दे,
can
है ना,
regenerate the
जो
organ.
Ma'am, they
regenerate
can
कर सके,
regenerate.
they can regenerate every part of the body. So suppose head part is cut, right? It's a very small organism. कहाँ पाया जाता है पता है? It's a parasite.
I'm in water bodies.
In water bodies,
water
ये
bodies.
parasite है एक. It's a parasite. It's a type of worm. Worm found in our body. छोटे बच्चों को कई बार क्या होता है, worm के लिए कीड़े हो जाते हैं पेट में, है ना? Worms are there, and when they medicine is given in one time, they are not cured. Mama says at least 2-3 times I have to give him medicine, then only these worms will be killed. Why? Because they are having capability to regenerate from any part.
Regenerate.
From any part, they can regenerate their body. है ना, हम मेडिसिन देते हैं, some are kill, some are still alive, and their some part is there, so they develop and regenerate their body. That's why they are not killed completely. At least 2-3 times medicines are given, then only they are completely killed. Okay. Similarly, Hydra also have regenerated cells. They also have capability to regenerate any part of the body of the Hydra, and they develop into the mature organism. Is it clear? Clear to everyone? ठीक है
Yes,
जी.
ma'am.
अब एक चीज यहाँ पर समझनी है हमें कि रीजनरेशन करता कैसे है. एनसीईआरटी में आपके पूरा पैराग्राफ लिखा है. विनायक, रीड इट आउट, pick out the page number, and again some non video participants are there, so I am removing them क्योंकि उनको सुनाई तो देता नहीं है.
I'm page number 130.
113. Okay,
30.
speak out,
30. Ma'am, 30.
read out. Vinayak,
Many fully differentiated organisms have the ability to give rise to new individual organisms from their body part. That is, if the individual is
बेटा
somehow
एनसीईआरटी शेयर
cut
कर दो
or
क्योंकि
broken.
यहाँ एक हॉट क्वेश्चन भी है, बहुत बार बोर्ड में रिपीट किया है. I would like to share.
Okay, ma'am.
This part is clear to everyone. Shall I remove these
Okay.
drawings?
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा एनोटेशन तो ऑन करो, मैं इसको हटाऊं.
Ma'am, yes.
नहीं तो ये आती रहेगी स्क्रीन पर, इसलिए या तो आप हटा दो. एनसीईआरटी शेयर करो. Proliferate means multiply in large number. They can multiply in large number. ठीक है, समझ लो मल्टीपल फिजन की तरह बहुत लार्ज नंबर में वो मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं, एंड दस दे कैन डेवलप द एवरी पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी ऑफ द ऑर्गेनिज्म. एवरी ऑर्गेन वो डेवलप कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, मुकुंद को टाइम लग रहा है, सुबल आप कर लो बेटा. मुकुंद फॉर 1 minute स्टॉप शेयरिंग बेटा.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी.
Yes, ma'am.
So proliferate
May I
means
share?
multiply in large number. Yes, it's visible now. नीचे चलो. Proliferate means multiply in large number बेटा. ये देखिए आपकी फिगर दिया हुआ है, नई बुक है ना, नई बुक में दिया हुआ. Yes. So here it is. Simple elements like Hydra and Planaria can added into number pieces. This is known as regeneration. ये तो आपका regeneration का definition हो गया. ठीक है, and यहाँ से आ गया these cells, the regeneration is carried out by the specialized cells. Very important. Please write down a question over here. Explain how some organisms reproduce with the help of specialized group of the cells. Explain how some organisms reproduce by specialized group of the cells. So here we have to mention this group of the cells also. ठीक है? And you have to write complete paragraph. Complete paragraph you have to write down. So what it says that the mass of cells, different cells undergo changes to become various cell types and tissue. तो पहले क्या होता है? Proliferate होता है. These cells proliferate and make large number of the cells. And from this mass of the cells, जो proliferate होके बहुत सारे cell बने हैं, they further divide and form the tissues and cells and organs, and then they are developing complete individuals. So these changes
please tell
take place in
spelling of
an
glory.
organized sequence referred to development. Referred to development. This is very important क्योंकि यहाँ से एक हॉट क्वेश्चन बनता है. क्या होता है वो मैं अभी बताऊंगी. Noted in your
Ma'am,
book.
please tell spelling of glory.
Proliferate is on your screen, बेटा ये रहा.
मैम वही लिखा है थर्ड लाइन में, लास्ट थर्ड लाइन 130 पेज नंबर.
Figure 8.3 के नीचे देख. Proliferate is
Yes,
written.
ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Multiply in large number. Clearly mentioned in your NCERT as well. So this take place in organized sequence referred to as development. However, regeneration is not same as the reproduction, since most of the organisms would not normally depend on being cut to be able to reproduce. This is your hot question. Justify the statement. Simply in your NCERT, telling you, beta, telling you. This is your question. Since most of the organisms would not normally depend on being cut up to able to reproduce, thus regeneration is not the same as reproduction. You can start your question from here only. This is the hot question. Justify the statement. So you will write here, justify the statement. Clear? Justify the statement. Lizard and human being. Lizard can reproduce its tail. Human being also can reproduce or regenerate, regenerate their some parts. कौन-कौन से parts हम regenerate करते हैं? हमारी body में कौन-कौन से parts हैं जो regenerate होते हैं?
मैम हेयर,
Very good. Hair, nail भी हमारे regenerate हो जाते हैं, है ना? So these are some parts which are regenerated in our body, right? So facial hair, है ना? Hair का ही part हो गए, but skin के hair generally develop नहीं होते, but facial hair grow करते हैं ना, mustache वगैरह boys की आती है. So this all is also regeneration. Why we don't we call it as regeneration? क्वेश्चन लिख लीजिए. Why this is not referred as regeneration? तो आंसर क्या होगा हमारा, बताइए. What will be answer? Because we are not capable of reproducing a new organism. हम कोई new organism नहीं कर रहे हैं. न्यू ऑर्गेनिज्म नहीं बन रहा है. लिजर्ड कोई नया ऑर्गेनिज्म नहीं बन रही है, वो अपने ही बॉडी की रिपेयर कर रही है, ग्रोथ कर रही है. हमारे हेयर ग्रो हो रहे हैं, दैट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ ग्रोथ. सुबल, कैन यू राइट दिस लैंग्वेज प्रॉपर्ली?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, दैट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ ग्रोथ. हिंट फॉर्म में आप लोग भी लिख सकते हैं बेटा. दैट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ ग्रोथ, डेवलपमेंट. but it is not reproducing a new organism. That's why it is not considered as the part of reproduction or regeneration. ठीक है, क्लियर है? एक तो रीजनरेशन हाइड्रा और इसका भी रिप्रोडक्शन का पार्ट. अगेन साइंटिस्ट आर डिवाइडेड बेटा, कई ऐसे डिस्प्यूटेड हैं जिसमें साइंटिस्ट डिवाइडेड हैं. कुछ कहते हैं नहीं रीजनरेशन है तो मोड ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन ही ना, नया ऑर्गेनिज्म तो बन ही रहा है ना. कुछ कहते हैं कि नहीं क्योंकि ग्रेजुअली होता है. अभी मैंने आपको बच्चों का एग्जांपल दिया. सो व्हेन दे आर गिविंग मेडिसिन एटलीस्ट फॉर 1 month दे आर फाइन, स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली वो बढ़ते हैं उनके. तो 1 महीने बाद फिर हम उनको मेडिसिन देते हैं. फिर 1 month वी ऑब्जर्व एंड इफ वी फाइंड द सेम प्रॉब्लम, बिकॉज क्या होता है स्टूल के साथ some worms come out of the body, then mama gets understand, क्योंकि बच्चे क्या करते हैं मिट्टी मुंह में ले लेते हैं जब मर्जी. क्रॉल करते हुए बेबी को ये ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम होती है. they keep on crawling and take the things in their mouth, every dirty thing. They don't understand, so they have this worm problem in their stomach most of the time. so mama को पता लग जाता है उनके स्टूल के साथ अगर वर्म आ रहे हैं, that means they have the worm still in their body. After 1 month these effects have come. So that's why some of the scientists say क्योंकि ये डेवलपमेंट कर रहा है सीक्वेंस में, इसलिए ये रिप्रोडक्शन का पार्ट नहीं है. बट सम ऑफ द साइंटिस्ट, मोस्ट ऑफ द साइंटिस्ट कंसिडर दिस रीजनरेशन एज द मोड ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन ओनली. इज इट क्लियर? तो जैसा क्वेश्चन हो आपने आंसर को वैसे ही रोटेट कर देना है. क्लियर टू एवरीवन?
Okay, ma'am.
क्लियर टू एवरीवन?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now budding is the last one, that organism, but your class time is there, है ना. 2 मिनट पहले छोड़ दूंगी तो मेरा भी काम हो जाएगा. budding organism such as hydra, बेटा थोड़ा सा और ऊपर करो. regenerative cells for reproduction in budding में क्या हुआ, हाइड्रा की ये एक अलग जीनस है. जीनस राइट, एक स्पीशीज होती है, स्पीशीज के भी आगे जीनस होते हैं अलग अलग. ठीक है, तो जीनस में क्या है, इस जीनस में क्या है, छोटा सा बड पहले निकला एंड इट रिमेन्स अटैच्ड विद द पेरेंट बॉडी till it is not completely grown, right? So it repeated cell division and the specific, these buds develop into the tiny individuals and then fully mature, they detach from their parent body and become a new independent individuals, है ना. पूरे independent individual बन जाते हैं. they detach from their parent body and develop, right? So this is a next mode of reproduction. Clear to everyone? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeast is also some
Yes, ma'am.
So next class is of
yeast.